Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, this week I'm doing something a little bit different. This is fun. So my friends at Slate Group sent me two entirely different but equally exciting formats that they designed and produced for client University of Wyoming. So I decided I'd show one this week and one next week. So this is really fun. I think you're going to like this. And this format is actually a format that you generally see in the crafting industry. And I actually think I've shown this once on Fold of the Week, but in a card size for commercial print. So I thought, that's really cool. But then they took it and they blew it up into this oversized mail format. And so, as I said, this is generally in the crafting industry, brought over to commercial print and into higher ed, which is also an industry that would normally not see a format like this. So this is neat. It's got a little half circle here, a little half moon die cut for a pull. It says, "Let's Ride." And this also has UV coating. These were digitally printed on HP Indigo 7600, spot gloss UV coating offline, and paper is a 100-pound flow gloss cover. Okay, so let's pull the tab and see what happens. So when you pull the tab, you get this nice reveal. So the cowboy kind of stands up and you get this University of Wyoming bound, "I'm ready for the ride of my life." And it's got some social media icons. It's also got, on this little pull tab right here, it's got another little half moon die cut. And that half moon die cut slides and locks into this half moon die cut that's on the sleeve. So what happens is you end up with this nicely locked piece that can sit on a desk, or remember, this is for college-age kids. So I love how large this format is. The branding's really great, and just use of color and all of that. So it's just got this really nice presence. These are die, score, hand fold and assemble, and glue. And they did about 200 of these. These were a very targeted mailing. Next week's format was a larger mailing. So I thought this was just really interesting as a standout, targeted type of a mail campaign for higher ed. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Oversized sliding pop-up mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.